This conference will now be recorded.
So where are we yesterday? Do you remember?
Yes,
We
sir.
completed. We
We are
completed.
assigning company code to company.
Correct. So I explained you how to create the company, and I
Yes,
explained you how to create the company code, and I also explained you how to assign the company code to the company. Right?
yes, sir.
And right.
Sir, I have a small doubt, sir.
Yes. It, tell
We
me.
assign company code to company, right, sir? How you want to check that? How you assign that company code to company, sir? How to check if the எப்படி கேக்குது கரெக்டா அப்படி நம்ம
Correct.
பண்ணது எப்படி
Right. Right. How to check
check
the
the assigned company code to
com-
company?
company code to company assigned one, right? How it is, whether it is assigned or not, right? Whether it is assigned or not.
Yes.
So the T code is EC01,
Okay.
correct?
EC0. Yes, sir.
Right. So EC01 is something like, see here. What I'm doing in sense /n, right? So
Okay.
I'm giving an EC01 and press enter. Okay, EC01. Now what I did, press enter. Okay, press enter. The first step. Second one, see here.
Okay.
Second step, click on the structure here.
Yes.
Can you see that? Can you see that structure?
Yes, sir.
This one.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
right. So you need to click on the structure. Third point is, after clicking on the structure, click on this navigation. Click
Okay.
on the navigation. Click on the navigation. All right.
Okay.
Next, fourth point. After click on the navigation, press again enter.
Okay.
Press enter. Then you can see here all the company codes. So you should search Control F, CTRL plus F. Control F for search, or else
Okay.
you can use this one. You can use this one symbol.
Okay. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, search.
Okay.
Right. So sixth point is Control F. So you need to give the company code. Which company code you want to try, or else you want to give, you want to search. So
Okay.
because I think yesterday I did not created anything in my machine. Everything
Yes.
is created in your machine. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So right now, if I search here also, it won't be visible to me.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What
Okay.
what I will do in sense for you, I will try to create company. Okay,
Okay.
company, and again I create a company code for you, company
Okay.
code, and I will give the assignment. Okay.
Yeah. Sir, and also one company and three more codes. You told right.
Yes. Yes. So what are the steps? What we can do is /n is for new. Okay, or else fresh.
SPRO.
Right. Either, instead of going by a
Uh,
path, I try to go by a code, as I know
okay.
OX15.
One
Okay,
favor.
OX15 is for the company creation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can see here this one OX15.
Yes. Yes.
Correct.
Sir.
So
Good.
I'll click on new entry. Okay.
Okay.
So let me give the company name as uh, A ARUN, Arun, right? So
Yes.
ARU1. I'll try with
Okay.
ARU1. Okay.
Okay.
ARU1. Okay.
Okay.
So here Arun Ice Cream Private Limited. Again, I'm giving. All right.
Okay.
I'm giving some street. I give some post box number. I give some postal number. I give the city. I give the country. I give the language as English. I give the currency. I think I explained you
Yes,
all these things,
yes, yes,
and
yes,
you also have done the practice on this, right?
yes, yes.
Now,
Yeah.
Practice, we practice.
finally, yes, good. So finally, you need to click on Save button here.
Okay.
So here you can observe that prompt for the customizing request is
Yes,
displayed, right?
yes. What
So
is
this
the
is
customer, sir?
customizing request is displayed. It is something like, it is successfully done. You have completed creating of company successfully. Okay.
Okay,
So
okay,
some ID number is generated. This is a unique ID number is generated.
okay,
SAP system provides this one. The SAP system provides this is the new ID number generated for you. Okay. So
okay,
with this id with this id we this id will be shared to the basis people, SAP basis people. Okay.
okay, okay.
I mean, I'll discuss what to do with this id in the future, in the end of our classes and end of
Okay.
our class. As of now, not required. Just here you can consider it. Okay, this is my successful message
Okay.
of
Mm.
creating the company.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Okay.
I click on enter button. So it is done. You can see here data was saved successfully, the message.
Okay. Yes.
Make sense? So
Okay.
what is your company name? Is ARUN.
ARUN.
Correct. ARU1, right? Next,
Yes.
I'll be using company code. I'll be showing you how to create the company code.
Company. Okay.
So I'm using here /n and OX02,
Two.
right?
Yes.
OX02. So as I told you, if you remember very well, I
For
told
what
you,
OX0? For what says OX02?
huh?
OX02
Yes,
for back
OX02, OX02
company.
is to create
Okay.
the
Okay.
company.
I think
No,
OX6 Azini. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Company code, sir.
Arun, what is this?
Okay. I thought OX16, sir. Assigning. Sorry.
So OX02, instead of using the T code for creation of company code, I'm using the path.
Path.
Okay.
Okay.
So already I explained you about the path, but anyway, once again I'm explaining you. So I'll be typing here as SPRO, right? Then after
Yes.
that, I'll be clicking on SAP reference IMG, that is implementation guide. Then I suppose to click on enterprise
Yes,
structure.
sir.
Then you need to click on definition. Then you need to click on
Financial
financial accounting.
accounting.
Then here you can see define company, define credit control, define edit, copy, delete, and check company code.
Company. Yes.
So, so this is the help file. This icon shows that this is the help file, and this shows your transaction, how to do the transaction for that edit company. So click on this icon.
Okay.
So here you get two activities. One is
Yes.
copy, delete, and check company, and the second one is edit company code, right? So
Yes.
double click on this copy, edit, check company code. I clicked on it, right? Now you can see that here this is the copy image,
Okay. 1 minute,
right?
sir. I will write, sir. 1 minute.
No need to write. I'll share the video, this video.
Okay.
Yeah, okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
So I started recording. So anyway, even yesterday also I asked you to share me your Gmail ID, but anyway, you did not share me. If you share
Now we
me,
are not will share, sir. Now we will share.
correct. So I'll share you all these videos, even yesterday's day before yesterday videos also.
Okay.
Correct. So back here. So click on this copy on, right? So
Okay.
now it will be taking some time to copy all the related tables of
Yes.
company code.
Cool. OX50. OX.
And one more
Yes.
thing.
Yes, sir.
Remember uh, this part. Which part?
Company code.
Creation of company and company code and assigning will be done by the SAP FICO consultant.
Okay.
It means that you will you means MM person, right? You are the MM person, SAP
Yes.
MM consultant. You call
Yes.
yourself as consultant, SAP MM consultant. So you will be not doing this one,
Okay.
doing this one. Which
Okay.
one? Creating of company code
Company.
and assigning. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
straight away, the SAP FICO consultant will share you
Yes.
the details. Okay, please use this company or as this company code.
Okay.
But here, what we are doing in this, as we are learning, right? As uh, we are learning, right? So there is no FI consultant. There is no FI consultant for us to create these things, right?
Yes.
So
Oh, we are.
that's the reason we ourselves creating this small task.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
Now,
Clear.
yeah, that's done here. Now, what I'm doing here in sense for the company code, I'm using the 1000. 1000 is one of the
Standard.
standard provided by the SAP. It's not it provided with the SAP. What is this 1000? 1000 is nothing but the one of the company code,
Oh,
or else I can call it as a sample company code, sample one.
okay.
It's a sample piece which is created by the SAP to
Yes.
us, right? So here
Yes.
you can see that what I'm trying to do now, in sense I'm trying to copy that 1000, that sample data to,
Yes.
okay, from
Okay.
1000 to, from that data to which I am going to create the new company code. What is our company?
RO.
ARU1,
RU1. Okay.
correct? This is our
Okay.
company. And here I am also giving the same name for my company code also.
No, sir. 1 minute, sir. This the 1000 is the one company code, right, sir?
See here. Yes, it is a 1000 is a company code, right? It's a sample one. From
Okay.
1000, I'm trying to copy to Arun 1. Sorry,
Um,
ARU1. So
okay.
ARU1 is the company code. This is the company code which I
Okay.
am going to create,
Okay.
which I am going to create a new company code,
Okay.
which I am going to create a new company code. So the data which is having the data, some data is there for the 1000. That data
Yes.
will be copied from this 1000 to ARU1 to my company code. So this is what I'm doing, copying here. See here. So copy from 1000 to the ARU1,
Okay.
right? And click on enter. So
Okay.
it is asking me for why I'm copying, the reason in sense. See here, if
Yes.
you please listen carefully, why I'm copying here in sense. I mean, what is the benefit of copying?
Yes.
What is
Yes.
the
Yes, sir.
benefit? Benefit of copying in sense, if I can also create a new, getting my point, I can also create a
New.
new company code, new
Yeah. Yeah.
company code. But here what happened in sense, FI consultant, while creating the company code, he will be doing lot many other activities. What is that? Lot many other
Activity.
activities for that company code, for that company
Code.
code. Like for example, for that company code, he will be creating the chart of accounts. Okay,
Yes.
he will be creating the general ledger, he will be creating the profit and loss, he will be creating the balance sheet
Okay.
balance sheet. So
Sheet.
these are, I mean, there are some other more items as getting my point, like
Yes.
creating the physical year,
When, when,
financial year, like which year it belongs to. Like in this way, lot many other things has to be configured for that company code. It has to be configured to that company code. That's the reason it will be, all these things will be done by the FI consultant. Here what we are doing in sense, by copying, getting my point, by
by
copying from the 1,000, right,
already
standard,
already
right,
existed.
correct, all the 1,000. So all the above settings, right, all the above settings will be
Copied.
copied, will be copied to the copied
New
to
one. New
to
one.
our to our company,
Yes.
to our company code, to our company code, which I am creating right now.
Yes.
Okay, if you see
Okay.
here, that is what you can observe. So only copy the GL accounts. So I'm saying, yes, please copy the GL accounts from 1,000 to my company code, to my
Okay.
company code. What is my company code? ARUG1,
New one.
ARU1, right? So I'm saying yes to that, I'm accepting that one, right? So
Okay.
it copied, and now it is asking me, hey, do you want to change the local currency? Means
No.
the 1,000 is a company code having the local currency as euro.
Yes. You want to change the
The
INR.
correct. So the 1,000 is a company code which is having that currency code as a euros. Getting my point? So it is
Yes, sir.
asking me whether do you want to proceed with that euro, or else do you want to change according to your company code location,
Yes, sir.
right? So I
Yes,
say
sir.
that yes, I want to change this company code location and the currency. So then I'll click on yes. I want to allocate a different location currency to target to my company code, target to
Okay.
my company code. So I'll click on yes to it. Then here I will provide the INR because my company is created in India, and my currency of India is INR. We
Okay.
follow, right? So just press enter here, and certain data was not copied. That's fine for us. Nothing to worry. Just click on press enter. Again, you click on press enter. Again, you click on press enter. Just continue with enter, enter, enter. What is happening here in sense, by every, by pressing enter, every time something or the new information is being copied from the 1,000 to our company code.
Very cool. Okay. Okay.
So here you can see transport number range and addresses. So in this function, I mean, by this we are accepting this one, means we are saying that yes, please copy some kind of a number range intervals as from 1,000 to my ARU1.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Great. Sorry.
Okay.
எப்படி நமக்கு நிறைய கம்பெனி கிரியேட் பண்றது எப்படி கோடு
அதை சொல்லிடுறது. இது எதுனா ஆப்லயே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, 1000 டேட்டா கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, சாம்பிள் டேட்டா. நமக்கு இந்த மாதிரி அவங்க கொடுப்பாங்க, கம்பெனி வேலைக்கு போறது கொடுப்பாங்க. காப்பி பண்ண தெரியுமில்ல நமக்கு.
Straight away, I'll give you a small example. If I say small example, here, see, if you ask me, if you are asking me for a resume, right,
Yes.
CV, what I will do, you are asking me a sample resume. So I have a sample resume with me, so I am giving to you.
Yeah.
It means that, see, you can also create yourself your own resume, right?
Yes. Yes,
But
sir.
what happened here in sense, if you are creating your own resume, so there are lot many things as
How to add, change, add, edit. Edit works will be there.
so lot many settings says that you need to configure, right? So
Yes.
I am reducing your work by giving my sample resume to you, such that you need to just do small changes by changing my name to your name, my phone number to your phone number, and as well as the mail ID, some your qualification, some your XYZ things.
Yes. We can edit
So
that.
correct, you edit and you do small changes and small modifications to
From
my
this.
resume. So that is what 1000 is my sample resume.
Okay, sir. I understand. I understand.
That's very simple. Okay.
I understand.
See here, it's done. We copied, right? And
Yes, sir.
click on press center here once again. See, you can notice that here few tables are copying from the 1000 to the ARU1.
Yeah,
See
you.
here, something transport number range addresses are being copied with some caution. There are some things which is not appropriate to it, but still we say yes to it, and it is copied now.
Okay.
Copy.
Yeah.
So again, press enter, press enter. See, you can see the message. What is that?
Company code 1000 copy.
Company code 1000
to
copy
ARU1.
to ARU1 without 61 number range objects.
Correct, correct. So it's copied.
Okay.
Here also you can see here. So what is our selected object? Selected object. So
Company
the
code.
selected object is company code, and this is what the 1000, right?
Yes.
If you see here, completed activities says, what is the activity which is completed? Yes, the
Company code
action
1000.
carried out is company code 1000 copied to Arun.
ARU.
This is what the ARU1
This is what we have done.
we have done right now. Now click on here the back button. This is the
Back
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 button.
button. So just click on this back button. 1 second. Someone is calling. Hello. Yeah.
அதாவது கடைசி சொல்லி கொடுத்துக்கிறாரோ
నాకే సార్ చెప్పండి మీ పేరేంటమ్మా ఓకే మొత్తం కలిపి మన దగ్గర అయితే 6000 అమ్మా అవును 4 అడ్వాన్స్ రెండు ఉంటాయి మీకు టైమింగ్ చెప్తానమ్మా మీ టైమింగ్స్ ఏం కావాలి చెప్పు 6 to 7 PM ఓకే 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 రేపు స్టార్ట్ చేయబోతున్నాం కొత్త బ్యాచ్ ఓకేనా రేపు రావచ్చు 6 to 7 మధ్యలోనే ఓకేనా రేపు రండి మీ ఫోన్ నెంబర్ చెప్పండి ఒకసారి తొందరగా 6300905676 ఓకే సరే అమ్మా గోపాల్ రావచ్చమ్మా ఒక 5 members 6 members రావచ్చు సరేనా ఓకే చూద్దామమ్మా రేపు రండి మాట్లాడదాం ఓకేనా నేను క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను వేరే క్లాస్లో ఓకే Hello. Yeah, sorry. Uh, hello.
Tell me,
Hello, sir.
sir.
Yes, you are here. So if you notice this, the first activity is done for us. This shows that the first activity is done,
Yes,
completed.
sir.
Now the next activity is
We
what is
want
the
to
meaning
edit.
of we copied it. We need to edit it. So double click on the edit company code now.
Okay.
So click on here position. Click on here the position. Okay. So
Okay.
Yeah.
click on the position and
Give me the company
provide
code.
provide the company code. So the company code here is
One.
ARU1 that you should not provide the 1000 now. You should provide the ARU1 which you created just now. So click on it, press enter. So you can see here, I mean automatically the SAP focus here ARU1
Yeah.
with the SAP standard item. So SAP ID standard, it is the this name is picked up from the
Another
1000
thousand. Yes.
from the 1000. So you need to just change this one. You need to edit it. ARU1 some, yeah,
Or
ice
between
ice cream
time at
ice cream
something.
BT. మేడం కదా మా మేడం కదా ఈరోజు వాట్సాప్ పెట్టిందా చెప్పేదా అవునా
Insa. From date எடுத்தோம். Here you want எடுத்துட்டோம். அது யாரோட பேர் இருந்துச்சு? உன் பேர் இருக்கு.
వాట్సాప్ మర్చిపోయి నేను పెట్టలేదండి so the city is Hyderabad, all right,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
and the country unit the country is India, all right, and the currency I explained you earlier. It was 1000 currency. 1000 is a company code where that 1000 company holded with the EUR,
Euro.
right, euros, right.
Yes.
So now
Yes.
as we change it there from euros to INR, the INR has been reflected here for us.
Yes. Default we
Now,
changed.
yes, the language is the same. Again, that DE
Yes.
is picked up for the 1000. It is given for the 1000. So we need to
Yes.
change it for the language as EN as per
Okay.
our. So just press enter and click on save. Now your company code is done.
Okay.
When you go back and you see, you see, so both activities are done here. So now company code is done with for us. And the next one is we will see
Assign.
how to assign the company code to the company. So the path is again the same SPRO, IMG, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, right? Instead of going definition, you need to go into assignment
Okay.
here. See here, it is an
Yes.
assignment. You need to pick up from the assignment. So yes, click here the greater than symbol and click on the greater than symbol financial. All right, here you can observe this one, this one, company code
As
to the company,
Company.
correct? Yeah,
Yes.
company code to the company. So click on this one now. So you can click on this position again, right? Here
Position.
you have a
Yes.
position. Yes. So when you click on this position, it asks you for the company code. What is your company
Here.
code?
Where are you?
ARU1. So press ARU1 company code. You can see the focused here company code. This is what we given the company name for that one, and the location is Hyderabad. So here you can observe, or notice that it's blank, right? Nothing is
Yes.
assigned. Nothing is assigned. So here you need to provide the ARU1, the company one, the company name. So here
Netra.
you can see here what is our company. Go see here.
Company code. Here.
See here. This is your company, right?
Yes.
And your company code also ARU1,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
So just provide ARU1 under this company corresponding to the ARU1 company code corresponding to it, right? Then click on
Yes.
save. So your assigning company code to company is done. Your
Okay.
assigning company
Yes.
code to is fine. So here I also have a company code called Arun. Some others
Yes.
I don't know, but here the company code is ARUN, right? Arun. Now what I can
Yes.
do in sense, so here just I want to add my ARU1. This company code ARUN, I am assigning to the Arun. You got my point? No. So what I did in sense, I also have another company code by the name called ARUN. Here you can see this one. Company code is Arun, right?
Yes.
So highlight. So this is my company code. This is two company codes. I know that
Yes.
I did not created this one, or else maybe previously I created that one. So, but what
Yes.
I'm doing here in sense, it is assigned to some other company, but I'm removing that company and assigning to this company only, the same company. So if you see
Okay.
here, so my company is ARU1, right?
Okay.
Okay. So what is the structure I did? I followed, or else I tried to do the instance. One company having a multiple company codes.
Yes.
One company having a multiple
Multiple
company codes.
company.
So here as per you, it is ARU1, right? Here,
Yes.
here, what is my company code? ARU1,
One.
right?
Yes.
And Control C, Control V, I can say this company code name is ARUN.
Yes.
So under one company, I have a multiple company codes,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
So this is done, and I click on save now. Yes, it is done. Correct.
Okay.
Now
For Arun Private Limited, you taken the company code from Arun Private Limited, right, sir?
correct. So now what I'm trying to do in sense, as I said you just now, you asked me, I mean previously. So how do
Yeah.
I need to see the structures, or how it reflects? How do I make a confirmation whether my company code assigned to the company? So this is what the EC01 is the T code that we can provide, or else for checking out the tree structure, or else whether it is assigned or not, which
Yes.
one, the company code to company. So I
Okay.
click on navigation here and enter. I search for my company code. What is my company code? ARU1. So here this is the company code. Here this is the company code. So, and my company code is also ARU1, right?
Yes.
My company code. So just click on and search it. See, I got my Arun1, right?
Yes.
So click on it. You can see this one, right?
Yes. Yes.
And this both of that. Clear? So
Okay, sir.
anyway, come.
You want to go for
Now
navigation? Position
double,
navigation?
that's it. And
Okay.
Control F.
Control F. Okay, search.
Control F, and yeah.
Yeah.
See, here you can see this is the plus symbol which you can notice, observe, right? So company, right?
Okay.
Now click on this press and see that, see here, all right? My
Okay.
company codes are, these two are my company codes, Arun1
Yes.
ice cream, and these
Oh,
two are, this you can are associated with this company code, and this is associated with this company,
okay.
right? So both
Okay.
are assigned to the company, same company. If you see Arun Ice Cream Private Limited and Arun Ice Cream Private Limited,
For one
same.
company, you are giving two codes.
Yes, for one company, I have two, I mean, not two, it can be a multiple company codes. I can do that. Clear
Okay.
for you,
Yeah.
both of you?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, yes.
If you want
See
to
now.
create means again we want to go for company code and we want to create one more copy.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay.
And I already given you the steps.
Yes. Okay.
/n. Now, Now we will see how to create the plant. This is the plant here, right?
Okay.
So for plant, what is the T code? OX10,
Wait, still.
right? Yes, OX10 is the T code for the plant,
Tell me.
right?
Hello,
So
Plant.
sir.
for yes,
Yeah, tell me, sir. Tell me.
so here is a position for plant also. What I'm trying to do in sense, click on position. For plant also, I'm doing for the 1000.
Same.
I'm trying to do the same, right? This is standard given by the SAP for the plant also. So
Okay.
select this checkbox, click
Okay.
on
Copy.
this, right? Copy as, copy as. So here, try to provide you the, try to provide the plant name. So what I'm trying to do in sense, I'm giving the plant name also ARU1. What
Okay.
is my plant name here?
ARU1.
Correct. For everything, remember for here to understand or else to remember for you very easily, I am
Okay.
following ARU1 for
Okay.
everything. Okay,
Okay.
plant. My plant name is ARU1. All right. So here
Okay.
again, my plant name Arun ice cream
Private limited.
Private limited.
plant. Yeah, it is a plant, so I written as a plant here. Okay. So that's it here, and just click on enter. It is
Okay.
asking me for some details. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So my plant, my Arun ice, ice plant, right? So
Okay.
I'm trying to give some address, something. So I can give the postal code, 6 digits postal code, right?
Okay.
So for
What?
India, we need to follow the 6 digits postal code, all right?
Yes.
For other countries, you can,
Five.
so for other countries, I can give the 5 digits here postal code, right? And the country
Okay.
is India. Here you can select it. You can select from here the country as India. Okay.
Okay.
There is some problem with my SAP here. That's the reason I could not able to see the list basically of the countries. But if you try in your system, definitely you can find the list India, the name that you can identify, right? So this, like, you can see here region. If I click on a region, I have a multiple regions, one Andhra Pradesh, two with Arunachal Pradesh, three with Assam, and for every state, I have some regional code also associated to it, right? So
Yes.
I'll be selecting anyone. Again, it's my choice and it's your choice here. You can select any state, region, and yeah, even it's also my choice. Like I can select 01 right here, right? And time
Okay.
zone, we can change this time zone to Indian time zone. All right.
Yes.
Yeah,
No time.
five and a half hours is like Indian time zone 5:30, right? That's fine here. And here the post box, PO box again, 6 digits, right? Six
Six.
digits, 6 digits, six
Okay.
number, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So the language again, I'm selecting as Indian language, and I'm giving some telephone number with of 10 digits, and again something of mobile number. If I can give extension, is that great? I can give the extension. Again, if I have any fax number, I can provide. I can also provide my, the mail ID, something like that. All right.
Okay.
So, so now Now, if you want to write some comments, yes, you can write. Yeah, this is my plant address. This is my plant. These
Address.
Address.
details, right? Yeah. So enter, press enter here. So now you can see that my plant is created with ARU1 and the plant name is this one. If I want to see, yeah, just you can observe that number of entries is copied.
Okay.
See, number of entries is copied. So
Okay.
just click on save, right? Prompt for customizing request is displayed once it is done successfully. Now you can double click and cross check the details as English, plant address, the PO number, the postal code, the the country key, the region which we selected. Okay, these are blank, that's fine. And factory calendar as 01. And yeah, 01 as of now for you it is not required. Okay, so actually this field will be updated by the SAP HR people, HR
Okay.
module people.
Okay.
One second. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. All right. So we created a plant now, right? Plant creation is done. The same way, just now how I did, you can also create the multiple plants. See here,
Yes.
we can also have multiple plants.
Plan.
By plant, one plant can be like ARU1,
Everywhere.
and you can try with multiple plants, ARU2, ARU3, something like that. And
Yes.
now we will see how the plant is assigned to this company code.
Okay.
We will see that how the plant is assigned to this company code. What is the T code?
OX 18.
18. Control C. Okay.
Okay.
So here you can see OX 18.
18.
So enter the OX 18 in the command prompt or else T box, transaction box. All right.
Yes.
Now, so here you need to click on new entry. All right. So you need
Okay.
to provide the company code. What is our company code? ARU1.
1.
What is the plan? ARU1. Okay.
1.
And
Both.
just press enter. So
Yeah.
automatically the name of the plant will be fetched from the plant, and the name of the company will be name will be fetched from the company code. If you have a multiple plants, so just provide ARU1 as the same company code and provide the different
Different.
plant name,
Okay.
different
Okay.
plant. So one company code can have a multiple plants now.
Yes.
So this is how you can do the one company code can associate with the multiple plants. And now click on save. That's it. Yes. Okay. Save.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
It's done. Okay. Data is saved. You can see here. Now just go back again. And what is the next? We will see plant associated with company code we have seen. Now let's
Yes.
create the storage location. What is that?
Okay. Storage like
Storage location.
Yeah. What is the T code for that one to create a storage location?
OX
9.
OX?
09.
Sorry, correct. OX09. Right? So
Yes.
same way, I'm using T codes for creation of this one. For your practice, you try to create with the T code as well as with path. So I also provided you the path,
Yes.
right? So you can also
Yes.
you can try with those paths. right? So anyway, I'm giving the T code and clicking on right. So here what happened in sense, if you notice this one, when I'm creating a storage location and I'm creating a storage location, by default it is asking me the plant. By
Yes.
default, without this plant completion, I cannot go to the next step, right? So what is my plan?
ARU1.
ARU1, right? So I selected my plan and I'm clicking on enter now. Now here you can see the storage location and you can see the plant, right?
Yes.
So now I'm just clicking my storage locations. Okay, one, it's in Hyderabad, right? Second
Yes.
storage location, it is in Chennai.
Sure.
Okay,
Save.
save, right? Now
Yes.
this is, so for I want to give the in Hyderabad, where is my address location?
Yes.
I
Non
said
accounting.
just Hyderabad, right? Just Hyderabad. Now I need to give that storage location address. So just I'm clicking on this and again I click on it. So in Hyderabad, if I have a two branches
Okay.
in Hyderabad, I may have two locations.
Yes.
So one storage location. See here, storage location one I'm giving here, and here I give as ARU1. Okay, and it is in Nanak
Non
Ram
accounting.
Good.
Guda. Okay, Nanak Ram Guda. Okay, this is some postal code I'm giving. Again, country is India, region is Andhra Pradesh. I'm selecting. All right. I try
Okay.
to fill few details like postal code, something, something. All right. So the language is English and just press enter. All right.
Okay.
So here you can see the first address is done. Now it is asking me for the second address. Where is the
Yes.
second address? So here I give as to my second location is Lingampalli. Okay.
Okay.
I mean I have another storage location in Lingampalli. Again 6 digits 01. I pressed enter. So two addresses is done for me. Done. Save. Data is saved.
Okay.
Check. See here, if you want, you can just click on see. Okay. So storage location is done for today, right?
Okay.
So now that's the reason I mentioned here, no need to assign. By default, it is assigned to the plant. No need to assign means this storage location is not required for, not required to assign to the plant. It is required, but what is, especially I'm not assigning it, just like how I did it for company, plant and everything, right? By default, it is asking me for the plant. So I already given the plant. So that's the
Yes.
reason I mentioned is no need to assign.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to create the purchase organization. After storage is done, now I'm creating the purchase organization. See here.
Week
So what is the T code for purchase organization?
week 08.
808.
OX08. All right. So here I'm using, again, I said you, I'm using only T codes. Please yourself always try with the T code as well as the path.
Code.
Two times you need a practice. So here my new
Hello.
organization is right. Organization. What is my purchase organization? Yes, I'm giving the same ARU1, right? ARU
So
U1,
how it,
and
sir,
my
how it came
purchasing organization is this
So
how it came here
one.
you know, automatically, sir? You
this
gave
code,
only
no,
Which one?
it's
This
on
one.
the
you gave only.
I typed.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
A, I'm typing, buddy. Everything. All right.
Okay.
All right. So click
Okay.
on save. My purchase organization is created now. All right. So
Okay.
go back now. So here I showed you my purchase organization needs to be connected with the storage location. or else my purchase organization needs to be connected with the
Plant.
Plant.
So if I see here, if my purchase organization is connected to the plant, it means that automatically it is connected to the
Storage location.
Storage location.
yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Because I'm directly connecting my purchase organization to the plant, because already the plant has the storage locations.
Yes. Okay.
So the same way, and now my purchase organization, again I will connect it to the company code. So these two things I will do. So
Okay.
what is my T code for the plant? My purchase organization to the plant is OX
OX
17.
10. 17.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. Assigning. Okay, okay.
yeah,
Policy.
assigning. Now it is asking me here, so I'll be clicking on new entry. So what is my purchasing organization? ARU1. What is my plant? ARU1.
A1.
Just press enter. You can see that description is fetched, and the company, I mean the plant name is also fetched, right? So it is
Yes.
been done, and click on save. So this is done. Makes sense?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Now purchase organization needs to be assigned with company code. So let me pick up this T code for that one. So
Okay.
let me try here /NOX01, right?
Okay.
So I can, instead of clicking here, see there is no new entries for me. So I have a position option for me. So let me click on position option, and it is
Creating
asking me,
sir.
yeah, yes.
Assigning there won't be position.
Correct. So purchasing organization, I have a default ARU1, I'm giving, and I'm clicking on enter. All right.
Yes.
So here the purchasing organization is ready with this name, but it is saying that, hey, I don't have your company code assigned to me. It is asking.
Yes.
So I need to provide the company code here now. What is my
Yes.
company code? ARU1.
A1.
All right.
Yes.
ARU1 is my company code. So here I provided my ARU1 and press enter and click on save. It is done. Means
Yes.
now your purchasing organization is connected with the plant as well as your company code. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Final step is creation of your purchasing group. Purchasing group.
Group.
Oh, yeah. So the same way as we did it previously, /n and OME3 is purchasing group. So here I need to click on new entry. So click on new entry. It is asking me, see here, purchasing group. Let me keep the ARU1.
Then
What happened is here it accepts only 3 characters.
Okay.
okay.
So I'm trying to provide one, but it is not taking. That's fine. So my purchasing group is ARU only.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay,
here
sir.
the description is ARU1 and PUR purchase GRUP group, because it is a group family, and I'm
Yes.
providing the telephone number, something like this. And if I have a fax number, I give the fax number, something like this.
Okay.
Imagine I have a telephone number, I'm providing the telephone number. I'm having the extension number, I provide the extension number. I have a mail ID by something, so I provide as sunshine at the rate of xyz.com. All right,
Yes.
Sir.
and let me click on save and enter. So it is
Enter.
done now. It is done now. Okay,
Okay.
the data is saved. That's it. So today we are done with all these things, sir.
Yes.
You got my point? Everything is
Yes.
done. So
Yes.
here we don't require purchase group to be configured or to assign with any of these things, sir. Any of these things, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So 1 second. So slash n we SPRO, right? IMG
Okay.
enterprise structure, not really the enterprise structure. Yeah, enterprise structure. We need to go for assigning under
Designing.
enterprise structure. I need to go under assignment. So assignment. If I see financial accounting, show credit control is not required. Assign company code. This is done, right?
Yes.
Financial accounting.
Okay, முடிஞ்சு.
Assign plan to company code. It is also done, correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Right. So assigning purchase organization to company code is done.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
So assigning purchase organization to the company code is done. Assigning purchase organization to the plant is done, right? Next,
Yeah.
assigning standard purchase organization to the plant is
Plan
required.
and then.
Yeah, this we are doing right now.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So just take a position. What is your plant? ARU 1.
Uh,
Right. What is your purchasing organization? Obviously ARU 1.
One.
one.
Just click on save and done.
Then.
Okay.
Again go back, and we have another option as assigning purchase organization to the reference purchasing organization. Here, this one, under materials is this one. So click here. So you have new entry. So provide purchasing organization ARU 1. References also you are giving as ARU 1, and just click on enter and save. That's it. You are done with all the things now.
What is why the reference purchasing organization?
I'll tell you later on. Okay. So I already given this one, right? So two things are missing from this screenshot. If we see, what are they? So I'm writing them here.
Purchasing organization.
Assigning,
And
assigning
that.
standard, right?
Yeah.
Standard purchasing organization to, right?
Yes, sir.
Purchasing organization to plant. This is one we missed out from this
Yes.
screen. We
Yes.
have just done it right now. And the another one is assigning PUR purchase organization org organization to reference PUR purchasing org. These two things, yes. All right.
Yes. Yes. Sir.
So for these two things, yes, you need to go by path and
Okay.
enter for above, right? For above, go by path. Makes
Okay.
sense? So what is the path? SPRO, IMG, all right?
Okay.
IMG, enterprise structure,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Assignment, assignment, right?
Yes.
Material master,
Material management.
under right? Material management, you find out there, okay?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes,
This
sir.
one,
Okay.
yes. So, yep, thanks for today, all right? We catch tomorrow, stop recording.